Ever wondered how tea is processed in Assam? Let me show you. Tea leaves are plucked from these tea plantations and brought into these huge factories. The tea leaves first need to be blown dried. Once dried, the leaves are sent through these conveyor belts into the factory. Here, they wither the entire leaves and send it for further processing. So the tea leaves have to be broken down and cut into finer particles. So this here is the first machine. This is the output after the leaves come from the first machine. These roller blades have cutters at the end, and every time the leaves pass through this, it becomes finer, and that is the product that you're seeing currently over here. Every time it passes through this, it becomes finer and finer. The smaller the tea, the better the taste. That is what they say. As you can see, after passing through all these belts, the processed tea leaves are falling onto this belt. Here the color is green. From here on, the tea needs to be dried further, so it is heated at 100 degrees constant temperature. On heating, the entire water content from the tea leaves goes, and this is how the final product is. The green tea leaves have become in this color just because the water has evaporated. Here the tea is getting segregated into different segments. Every segment is having a different pricing. These tea grains are priced at the variety of smaller grains to larger. This is larger granules of tea. This over here are finer than what you saw over there. So this would be priced at higher than what that was. This here is even better quality. So that is how they price it. 8 varieties. What happens here is every variety is giving the exact amount and the same flavor of tea, just that you need to put in more spoons. That is how the tea comes in different varieties. That is how tea is processed.